pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey gems, welcome back. Guess what? I want to give away an Instagram and it's skincare, so I have to unbox it and share it with you guys because we all love skincare, right? And I'm excited. It says antioxidants on it and everything. Anyhow, I'm going to put an Instagram account in here, Tia07. She's super sweet. She doesn't have a YouTube channel. She's too shy, but she's so sweet. And she's a loyal watcher. And I would love it if you guys would go over and show her some love. Now, we got a card in here from her. I'll put pictures on the screen of what it says. It's just so sweet. And then we got Snail Hydrogel Eye Patch. Now, I am actually allergic to Snail products. I've used a Snail mask before and I broke out and it was really bad. So I'm going to save this for a giveaway and I hope you don't mind, Tia, but it's not something that I can use safely. So I'm going to put that aside. It does have, it says skin revitalization, and there are patches that go underneath your eyes. It looks like Alicia Koi is the manufacturer. And it's made in Korea. And Korea has some great skincare. I've unboxed some Korean skincare on this channel before. So let's see what else we've got in here. The first thing I pick up, revivalabs. Okay. So mild, this can be used 2 to 3 times a week. It evens skin tone while refining and smoothing its textured appearance. Special enzymes help slough away lifeless skin cells while eliminating impurities. Like the way that sounds. What about you? I don't know the value of these products, but I can put a link in the description box so you can check it out for yourself. This is what it looks like. Now, whoa! It's thick. And it's got a different scent to it, but not like fragrance or anything like that, which is good because we really don't want fragrance in our skincare. So this here is our Light Skin Peel Mild Exfoliant. No parabens, no phthalates, no sulfates, no mineral oil, no petroleum or other harmful ingredients. Gotta love that. This says it was distributed in Haddonfield, New Jersey. So it's made in the US. Ooh, bonus. Definite bonus. Okay, now we've got a gently exfoliating fruit enzyme mask with pumpkin, pineapple, and papaya. Oh, I cannot wait to try this. And this is all the same company now. This is all revivalabs. Okay. How often can we use this? It says to leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes until the mask is dry. It's got water, almond oil, pumpkin extract, pineapple. Looks like it's got good ingredients. Mango extract, papaya extract. Ethanol. That's a preservative. It's considered safe from what I've used in the past, or what I've gathered and used. Okay, this has a seal on it. It smells like fruit and it looks creamy, but it's a mask, so I'm not gonna like try it on my skin. Okay, but I am kind of curious to see how this works. I love that this is purple. It reminds me of blueberries, antioxidants. That's what I think of. This here says it has vitamin C, niacinamide, which is vitamin B, resveratrol, vitamin E, CoQ10, and alpha lipoic acid. I'm not sure if I said that correctly. Okay. Let's see what it looks like. Advanced Day Cream Anti-Aging. So it's got green tea extract, vitamin B, skin smoothing oils. I'm not sure exactly That is what that is here. Rich natural oils and emollients improve the appearance of your skin. Helps defend against free radical damage with a special antioxidant complex. Okay. This is a day cream, so it's got to be a moisturizer. It's thick. Wow. Okay. Very thick. But we are going to put some on the hand. No heavy fragrance, no nothing like that. Let's go ahead. Oh, this is good for dry skin. If you've got dry skin, wow, that's immediately softens. Look at the difference. Ooh, I like it. Oh, wow. Okay. And then we've got this 2-pack here. Let's see. Break the bag. Sorry. Gotta get it out, though. Okay. Under Eye Dark Circle Serum. Vitamin C, peptides, chrysin, and N-hydrosuccinimide. I don't know. There we are. Again, it says the same thing. No parabens, phthalates, sulfates, mineral oils. It's created safe, natural skincare, all that stuff. But we're going to open it. It brightens all skin types, it says. Ooh. Okay, so this is what the bottle looks like. It's got a little hole right here. No fragrance. Doesn't smell bad or anything either. Feels like a serum. Again, no fragrance at all. Okay, so under eye dark circle cream. Who else has dark under eyes? Like, yeah. Okay, the last product, hyaluronic acid serum. Oh, thank goodness. Most people, when they like go to get Botox, I've seen it because I've watched how they do that on YouTube. Some of the people that are administering the Botox, the doctors will put hyaluronic acid over when they're finished. It's good for your skin. So again, it says the same thing on the box. Hydrating all skin types. It improves the appearance of furrows and fine lines and plumps up the appearance of skin and helps skin's moisture retention. This is what it looks like. Same kind of bottle. We'll try this on the other hand. See if it has any kind of smell to it. No smell. Feels good, nice and cool. And I'm glowy. And over here, wow, that's soft. Okay, so I'm really excited. Now that I have unboxed this, and there's quite a bit in here, I've got, let's see. Let me just put the boxes away and show you this here so I can make everything nice and easy. I've got 2 masks. The Fruit Enzyme Mask. The Light Skin Peel Mild Exfoliant. Okay, so this isn't really a mask. This is an exfoliator. We have a mask exfoliator. We have a smoothing day cream. So this is like your moisturizer. And then we've got the hyaluronic acid serum and the dark under eye circle serum. So that's pretty cool. I'm excited about that. Plus, we also got these that I cannot use, but I will put in a giveaway. Am I the only one that's allergic to snail products? I mean, I used a Tony Moly snail mask last year and it burns. I'd take it off. So I'm not going to try these, but I am truly thankful. Thank you so very much, Tia, for sending me these awesome products. I am totally going to reach out to the company after I use them and give them my review. And guys, I will update you on this because I'm excited. New skincare. Yeah, get rid of dark circles, exfoliate, lose the large pores maybe it'll help with. That would be awesome. So thank you so much for joining me for this video. I love you guys so very much, and I will see you real soon in another one. Bye.
Nowhere left to run. Trying to bide our time, we know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Oh, swim against your tide, it keeps pulling me.